Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel PK Development Diary. In this video we are going to see how to turn on your laptop when due to battery or charger failure it stopped working. So let's get started to the video. Oops, sparks of fire flew, so be careful while working on it. So here I have already removed laptop screws, then separated inside wires of the laptop of the motherboard and its cover. Here I have already removed laptop screws, then separated inside wires of the laptop of the motherboard and its cover. Here I have a notebook laptop and this laptop did not show charging power on even when charging. So there are two possibilities of this problem. First one is charger is damaged, or second is laptop battery is damaged or functioning not properly. So in such a problem you can also replace both and check whether it is working or not. So here I changed the charger and then also it didn't turn on. So here I have already removed laptop screws, then separated inside wires of the battery inside of the laptop is connected to the two cables, so separate or disconnected from its socket and again connected if it is in a good condition. Now put its cover back as it was and screw it. Now we will check if the laptop is charging or not. In this you can see that the red color light is glowing. That means it is charging. So the laptop is turned on. If you liked, then subscribe, like and comment. Thanks a lot for watching my video.